I have no words. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really great day. It has been quite a while since I have sat down and filmed something for you guys, but today I finally found like a little bit of time to film, which I'm really excited about. And I'm also excited because I have a brand new subscription for you guys, which is always very exciting for me because I'm addicted to subscriptions. Today we're going to be unbagging the Beyond Beautiful subscription box. This just came out not too long ago. To be quite perfectly honest, I'm not sure if this is for February or if this is for March. I don't really know. It came incredibly early in March, so either it's like left over from February or it's just very timely. Hopefully there will be like a little card or something to indicate like what month it's actually coming from in here, but let's go ahead and get on into it. My desk is such a wreck, I can't even find my 17 box cutters. Here's one. So as I'm opening this, I'll tell you guys a little bit about it. First of all, there's an adorable little thank you sticker right here. That's really cute. So I just heard about this box not too long ago. I think one of you guys might have actually like sent me a link to it or something like that. So this was a relatively cheap subscription. It's $9.95. So like just a couple cents cheaper than Sephora Play and Ipsy. I'm wondering if that was like their marketing scheme was to make it like 5 cents cheaper than both of the subscriptions. If so, I think that's a pretty darn good tactic. And here's us to get 5 sample size or luxury size samples of all like face, beauty, makeup stuff. They do have their own little printed bags here on some like satin. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get the very first thing out of the bag. I'm actually feeling a card. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that to see if we can see what month this is. So it just comes with a tiny little card in here and it says, "Thank you for joining our Beyond Beautiful beauty bag. Inside each bag, you will find 6 sample size / trial size items to try out. Each bag is handpicked and we think you'll love it. If you have a makeup preference, please feel free to email us. Facebook is always appreciated too." I think it's really cool if they say if you have a makeup preference, you can email them and let them know about your preference. But apparently we are just left in the dark about what month it is, so we're just gonna go ahead and dive on in. I'm gonna get the smallest thing out of the way first. This is from Vin. This is the Rich Compensating Cream, and I have absolutely no idea what a compensating cream is. Never even heard of that. There's not much additional information on the back and there's no card in here that tells us anything about it, but it does say it is for dry sensitive skin, which I have had the driest skin recently. It has been absolutely awful. It looks like my chin is crumbling off. It's real terrible. It also probably doesn't help right now that I decided it'd be a good idea to layer more makeup over top of the makeup that I was already wearing today because it had kind of worn off. So I have like 2 layers of all makeup on right now, which I'm sure looks excellent. Alrighty, let's go ahead and reach in here and pull out the next smallest item. Alrighty, so we have something from Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 Velvet Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Plushy. For some reason, it looks like the pencil itself has been like jabbed down into like the pencil part. I'm not 100% sure if this is how the liner is supposed to come, but it looks a little bit strange. And I only swatched it this much and I've already like hit the top of it, so I would have to sharpen it before I used it again. I just think that's kind of strange. It is a pretty color and I do like that it's not a black liner. You guys know how I feel about all of the pencil black liners that we get in subscriptions. It also kind of matches my nails, which I painted for once, and they're already completely destroyed. I literally painted these yesterday. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and reach back in and pull out the next smallest item. I'm trying to save the big guys for last. You guys, I'm also super sorry about my voice. I don't really know what's going on. It's been getting super rough and grainy and like hard to talk kind of recently. Very, very sorry about that. I'm sounding more like the chocolate lady from SpongeBob every single day. Alrighty, next up here we have something from Terra Green, and this is a body lotion. Oh wow, okay, that is a very strong, intense smell. Wow. It's like I can't stop smelling it. It smells like a lime popsicle, but like mixed with cut grass. I don't know, it's a very, very interesting scent, but it's very, very strong. As I'm rubbing it in, it's starting to dissipate a little bit, but I think if you're really like sensitive to fragrances and stuff like that, this might not be the best choice. Oh, okay, wow, I'm a pure genius. I was like, oh, it smells like citrus and grass. Well, it's because it is enhanced with pure lemongrass fragrance. So I'm assuming that's where the citrusy, grassy notes will be coming from. I personally like how it smells. It's nice and refreshing and summery, but again, if you're very sensitive to fragrances, I might steer clear of it. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the next item, which feels like it might be like an eyeshadow. Oh, okay, this is actually from Bare Minerals. This is a little sample of their foundation, their like powdered foundation. And it's in the shade I actually use, is it? Here I have my absolutely filthy looking jar of Bare Minerals, which I lost the lid to, but it's actually in the shade Golden Fair, not fairly light, but I will definitely give this a try because I do like the Bare Minerals foundation. I actually put it on top of a regular foundation when I'm wanting to look extra caked on. And you guys, there's still more stuff in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out, oh, I don't know which one to pull out first because there's two kind of big things left in here. I'm gonna go for the tube. Oh wow, you guys, I think this is a full-size Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick. I'm pretty sure this is the full size. If I'm not mistaken, these retail for like $21 to $24, somewhere in that range. That's actually pretty cool. This is in the shade Melted Melon. I have a feeling it's going to be very bright, very melony. I don't know if I'm going to be using this color often, but I do want to go ahead and just give it a try to see if I like the shade. If I don't like it, I'll go ahead and pass it on to somebody else. Oh, it's very, very thin. I'm not sure, is it supposed to be this thin? I'm gonna go ahead and just give it like a little gentle nudging inside of here to see if like the oils have separated maybe.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
I have no words. As if there wasn't already enough layers of makeup on my chin. Just go ahead and pat that in. Alrighty, so let's seem to make it just a little bit thicker. It is still kind of sheer. I guess I'm used to the ones that I've tried before that were more like on the matte side, a little bit more opaque, but this one seems to be more like glossy and sheer. And actually for me personally, because it is so like sheer and light, I think that it would be really nice in the summertime just to throw on the lips. If it was that really deep opaque, like bright pink, I might not have worn it, but this like nice sheer gloss, I probably will. All right, and that leaves us the last thing in here, which I'm very curious about. It comes in a cardboard thing. Ooh. Alright, you guys, I'm actually pretty excited about this. This is a blush from Ofra, and I don't think I've ever actually tried an Ofra blush before. I am seeing, oh, I thought that would have been stuck to the paper, but it wasn't. Anywho, what I was trying to say is that I do see like some scratches and stuff in this, but it was just shipped in like a bubble mailer, so that probably happened during shipping. It doesn't look like it's been swatched or anything, but I do believe in the last BoxyCharm, an Ofra blush was one of the like variations that you could have gotten. I received the highlighting palette, but some people received like a blush and a magnetic palette-y thing. This is a pretty color as well. It's a little bit more on like the peachy brown side rather than like the pinky red side, but it is super pretty. I will definitely give this a try. Alrighty guys, that was everything in my first Beyond Beautiful bag, and I'm actually pretty impressed. Like, I really wasn't expecting this much for my $9.95 bag, especially since it's a brand new subscription. A couple of the things are fairly classic subscription box items. So we have, you know, the lotions and the eye cream, stuff like that in kind of small sizes. Then receiving 3 makeup items I think is pretty awesome, especially since one of them is full size. I don't know, are these full size Ofra brushes? I'm not 100% sure. It is a very good size pan if they are not. And then I know we received another eyeliner, but at least it's not a black liner. At least finally something a little bit different. So for me personally, this was a little bit more successful than like my last Birchbox unboxing or my last Sephora Play unboxing. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of most of these items, so I'm actually pretty excited about it. I'm going to be very interested in seeing if like this keeps up though. For some reason I feel like $9.95 might not be enough to cover the cost for all of these items. So in months to come, I would be very interested in seeing if they continue to include like larger size makeup items or if it will go more towards like the little sample guys that we're used to. But anyway, you guys, let me know what you think down below. I will leave the like link and stuff to the subscription service if you guys want to go check it out. But let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think about the items. And let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing me continue to open this box. Anyway, you guys, thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. You guys are the absolute greatest. I'm gonna try my best to get some more videos up very soon. My paper, I'm getting it done by March 28th. No questions, it's getting done by that time. So hold me to that, and then after that I can get on here and get more videos out for you guys because I missed you all so very much, so I can't wait to start doing that. Other than that, I just hope you guys are doing very well, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Full beauty bag. Inside each bag, 6 samples, makeup preferences. Them about the, what is happening? Firstly, that's why I absolutely hated to be called on to read in class, because apparently I can't read.